What is up, everybody? Okay, look, it's purple. I mean, thanks for dressing for the occasion, Miss Pink. Shanna is back here to help me unbox. I don't always invite you to purple things, but I thought this would be fun.
Yeah. I was just, you know.
You're about to leave, and I'm like, get in here, do this.
Yeah, so this is very last minute.
Yes, it is.
But that's okay, that's fun.
Yeah, so we're gonna unbox the new iPad mini right here. And I think, look, we have the Smart Folio, we have a series second generation pencil, but I thought that I would let you do the honor and open up this and just, you know, see what it looks like.
I feel like you already got started because there's no plastic on it.
Okay, Apple did provide us with this for review and first impressions, so we're gonna do a first impressions, babe.
Did they not wrap it in plastic?
No, okay, just okay. Let's just
okay.
Here,
well, we at least saved that part.
Do the thing do the cover and I'll make the sound effect, okay? Ready?
You do it. Ready? 3,
2, 1. All right. Okay, that's just a LTE card in there. Okay. That's fine. But what do you think? Ooh.
I like that design.
That's what I'm saying. It already caught my eyes.
I definitely would keep that box.
I would too. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's you wanna do the honors here? Let's how do we take this bad boy out?
You take it out then.
Okay, you can you do the unwrapping.
Okay.
Do the unwrapping. Yes. Yes.
Carefully.
Yes.
Uh-oh. You know how I like to open things like presents, very gently. I don't like to
so
rip
meticulously. Yes. Okay. Nice.
Here it is. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh no, I ripped it.
Look at that.
That's like your computer.
Yeah, ready? it's like the iMac.
Flip.
You're all flip it over. It's just the black screen. What do you?
And like a pancake.
What do you think of this though? iPad mini in purple.
I feel like it's like the phone but bigger.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's a phone right there.
Let's be real. Who talks like that anymore? Put it on speaker. Hello.
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 So here you guys go at home that are watching. Nice and purple. It kind of is it more like a I don't want to say a periwinkle.
Periwinkle. Kind of like this shirt. Mm-hmm.
I mean, I had to come dressed for the occasion, babe. Ugh. Look at this.
Bare feet. Bare feet. Oh, you brought us back.
No, my hip. I flexed my muscle. Ow! Oh.
Are you okay?
Okay, let's just keep going.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a spasm.
You can't be doing stuff like that, young spring chicken.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Anyways, let's talk about the specs. Okay, thanks, babe. This is my hip. It's all good. Okay,
oh, no.
I'm good now.
You can't
so
be doing stuff like
specs
that
here. It has Apple's latest A15 Bionic processor, same in the new phone, so it's gonna be super fast.
Okay.
Remember that center stage technology with the iMac where you can kind of move around and it follows you?
Well?
Sorry, not the iMac, the iPad. Yes, it has that as well. This is
it's like if I were to move, it just follows.
Yes, and this is an 8.3 inch screen. It also has landscape speakers. The cool thing here, this is not powered up, but the button here is a touch button, so it uses your fingerprint scanner. What do you think?
Oh,
you want to
hear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's. But
they should incorporate that in the phone. Remember what I keep saying? So I did upgrade to a new phone. I still keep swiping. It doesn't recognize my face because, yes, we're all wearing masks and stuff like that, and I end up just putting the code in.
See, Apple, you need to listen to her.
I just put my finger on the button and it unlocked for me.
Everyone, when you just said that, I know everyone's like, yes. I didn't even prompt her to say that. She just came in here cold.
You literally were like, hey, can you come in here? I'm like, what do you need?
But
okay.
But the fingerprint button is important. So they have it on the iPad.
They put it on the iPad, but they don't want to put it on the phone?
Anyways,
Dear Apple, can I write a note? Who do I write to?
You can write a note to them
now
on the iPad, and then when we return it, they can get it.
Okay.
Yeah, do that.
I'll do that.
So it comes in storage sizes 64 gigs or 256 gig storage. What would you get?
The bigger one.
Of course, 256. Price point, what do you think this would start at price point? I never said it, so I'm curious. It's an 8.3 inch iPad mini. It has all the latest tech in it, really, for the most part. What would you here, feel it out, evaluate it properly.
550.
550?
Yeah.
Why would you say 550?
Is it more?
No, but that was just you said 550?
Well, it can't be as much as a phone.
Correct.
And usually iPads are less than a laptop.
Yes.
So I just split it in half.
$499.
Whoa!
Woo!
$50 off.
Didn't you get the Hermes band right on the money that time?
I think I need to play Price is Right. I'm serious. I'm gonna.
That's why we have here.
To the bank.
Apple price is right. Okay, so then let's do this real quick. So
but look at all the fingerprints.
well, that's why you got a case here. So check this out.
Oh, there's a case.
Oh, you know what? We need to show this real quick. Sorry, we're jumping all over the place.
They want to unbox.
What's in the box? Here we have the USB-C power adapter because this is a USB-C iPad, not a Lightning connection.
Oh, but they provided it with this, and they didn't provide it with the phone. That's what I discovered when I got my new phone. I was like, "Hey, where's the little box thing?" You're like, "Oh, that's what I've been talking about this whole time." I'm like, "Oh, I wasn't paying attention."
And she represents
I'm
the
sorry.
normal, you know, the general user that is buying these things. You have a USB-C cable, so someone could be like, "Hey, I'm gonna buy an iPad Mini so I could use this power adapter for my iPhone."
I mean, that's a pretty power adapter.
Do you think they should include it? Should have included it in your phone?
If I were an Apple engineer, I would include the power adapter, and I would also include the touch button.
Touch ID on the button.
iPhone 14.
This ain't rocket
iPhone
science.
14.
This ain't rocket science, y'all. All right, so let's check out the smart folio for the iPad Mini. It's like the case. I want you to open that bad boy up. Yeah,
it looks like, because the picture makes it look smaller than the iPad. Okay.
Wait, does it match my pants? Oh, I'm not gonna stretch, dude. Oh.
If you're in pain, you know what? I think you're just making it up. Because if you really were in pain,
no, it's spasmed. It's spasmed.
Properly.
It's spasmed.
So
Trust me.
Trust
me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see how long it takes for her to open this up. Should I do a time? Should I set my timer? Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't want to break it.
6.
Is it a fold?
7, 8, 9.
Oh no.
10.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna put a timer on screen to see how long it takes.
I just don't want to rip the box open.
Do you want help or do you want to just try it? Okay, here we go. Here we go. She's getting there. Oh.
You say normal person. I've
Yeah.
never. Oh,
Oh!
whoa! Why did it take you so long? I was like, rip it. Oh my goodness, that almost didn't happen.
That's awesome.
Oh, look at that. I like this color.
Right?
I like this color.
That what we call the. There's got to be actually an actual name for this, not periwinkle purple. What is?
So it's just a folder. How is it supposed to protect my iPad?
Well, it pops in there.
Yeah, but say I drop it.
No. What do you think? Oh, come on, that looks sick. Okay, she's.
See, what if I just? I want to catch my iPad.
It's not gonna.
Oh, it holds it.
Do you want to here? Just see how keep.
Oh, it didn't do it.
That's why I'm there to save it, because I still have to review it.
Oh boy, good thing it's not broken.
Anyways, this little ensemble. How much do you think the case is? Do you know?
100.
Good try. $49. Not bad.
Ah.
If it was Hermes, you'd be like 300.
Well.
Is it Hermes?
Hermes? I don't know.
Hermes?
We're not that fancy. But I will say the phone case is like $40, right?
Yeah,
that's why I guess this is a little bit more.
That's a good call. So,
but again, it's just like a folder. It's not really like a case.
Yeah.
So
I love how this looks. So, anyways, probably the most buzzworthy product from the keynote, iPad Mini. This is the purple one. If you had to rate this on a scale,
this was the most buzzworthy product.
Well, it was because no one expected it, and it was a new product. Like no one expected it to show up, and I mean, I guess you're right. She's right. The iPhone is the most buzzworthy product.
Maybe every year.
Do you want to take my job? Right? Do you want us to take over my channel?
Why not?
She's gonna do that.
Here I am. All right. Hey guys, it's me. I'm gonna do an iPad.
What's up? What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
All right, everybody. That is it. Our really cool unboxing of the iPad.
Wait, we have this.
Okay, you want to unbox the pencil?
Is this another? Okay, that's for another review.
No. You can. It's the second generation pencil here. Let's see how long it takes you to open this one. See, it's got a little timer on here now. Okay. Good. Oh, here, hold it. Do that. Oh, yeah.
Designed by Apple in California. What do they call this? The Apple Pencil. Ta-da! Cool.
Yeah. It has a plastic wrapper on it. Yeah, you can. It's using the latest pencil. It's cool, yeah. And it also magnetically connects to the side. Here, pop it on here, right here. Boom.
Wow.
You like that? Clever.
Clever, but I still feel like I'd lose the pencil.
You might. You probably have to throw it in another bag.
Yeah.
But okay. Do you want to say bye to everyone? She's gonna be on my. She's gonna basically take over the channel. So this is my last video here.
Bye.
Just want to let you know.
Say your goodbyes. It's been nice knowing you guys.
See you
guys.
Kidding.
Nope, it's his channel. It's his channel. I'm just here for fun.
But what about these pants?
While he goes and he recovers after that fall. Okay. Please be careful.
Okay, we're good. Yay!
Yay.
Okay, we're good.
Bye.
I already said bye.
Oh, bye.
Okay,
I
that was
just
fun.
wanted to this video was just for the pants.
Alright, let's try this. Here. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Bare feet.
That was better. That was better. That was better.